Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up your own Discord music bot with YouTube Find integration. Alright, so just to give a quick demo before we dive into the tutorial, it's gonna work something like this. You join to whatever server you're in and you just hit it with the play command. And you can skip it. And you can also search for any songs. Now I'm afraid of copyright, so let's just no copyright playlist, something like that alone. Yeah, you see the point. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Well, also the bot will leave the channel when there is no more tracks to play. So let's get right into the tutorial. The first thing you're gonna want to do is make a Discord application. You can go to this website, Discord Developers Applications, and then go ahead and create a new application. Let's call it Music Bot. And agree to the term service. Now there is like some stuff you want to do. So you want to build the bot, right? So let's go here. And you are gonna want to activate this. This one probably as well, and intent. Yeah, just enable all the intents. I mean, this is so that the bot can work correctly to get like a status of users. And save it. Then you want to get the token. Now, obviously, I'm gonna reset this token after this video, but you're gonna want to save that somewhere. I have some notepad here, so I'm just gonna put here in the meantime, and then I'll show you where to put it. The second thing you're gonna want to do is get your YouTube API. I'll give you a link to this website. You're just gonna want to click to go to the developers console. I mean, it sort of tells you the instructions here, but I'm just gonna do a little demonstration here. So you're gonna go to search YouTube. Well, you're gonna go to library, and you search for YouTube Data API. And this is the one you want, YouTube Data API version 3. You need to create some project, just call it whatever, doesn't matter. Now, a little things about this. Alright, so once you build the project, you enable the YouTube API for your project. This is a new account, so it doesn't matter. This doesn't cost any money, like there's like a free quota that you can do. But if you exceed that quota, then you're gonna have to pay. But let's just choose user public data here. This is because you're gonna search for just queries of videos. And here you get your API token. Alright, so there's just one more thing we need. In order to get your Discord ID, you're gonna go here in settings, advanced, and enable this developer mode. Now, once this activated, you can search whatever message, and you're gonna be able to copy the user ID. So you wanna copy this ID, your user ID, because this is gonna be the owner of the bot. When you're gonna shut down the bot, they will listen to whoever has this ID, so you wanna make sure it's yours. Now, once you have these three tokens. In the description, I will link to some download file. You can get all of the bot stuff, and you're gonna see some settings.json like this, and you're just gonna fill in the values. Make sure to put it inside the double quotes. So your file should look something like this, right? And then we just save it. Now the next step is to build one executable file for this. You can do this by creating some text document, and inside this we're gonna put this command, Java, the jar, and then the name of the bot file. I actually have it here. And it should look something like this. This is just telling it to execute the Discord bot.jar file, nothing too complex. And then we're gonna save it, but not as a .txt, but as a batch file. So we call it run.batch. .bat. And all right, that should be it. We should be able to run this executable file. And you can see that it's working here. Now, how do we get our bot to actually start showing on Discord? We're gonna head to our bot stuff, and here you should be able to invite your bot here in the you go to auth URL generator and click bot. I mean, it doesn't need all the permissions. You can just choose here which permissions you want to give it. With you can just give it like connect an audio just for and read messages. But I'll just give it administrator because I don't want to deal with it. So this is the invite link for bot. So let's head there. Open link in a new tab, and I'll just add it to the bot server. I don't understand this existential crisis stuff, whatever. And I'll just authorize it. All right, so let's solve some CAPTCHA, whatever. And we go to this. We can go to the server we added the bot to. And now we should be able to, I'll just mute myself. I don't want to see the green. We should be able to play some songs. So let me try the copyright stuff again. Play no copyright 2023. I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. And well, you see it's working. So that should be it for this tutorial. If you're afraid of you being hacked by me, it's an open. I've made this bot open source, so I'll link to everything. Should be in the descriptions, like the code of the bot if you want to edit it. I mean, it's mainly based on the Lava Player demo with some extra tunes, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and please leave a like and subscribe if you like it. I can go through the code and some other tutorial if some people are interested. That's it for now.